What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about drift chat playbooks and how you can set the right priority on them so that they show when you want. So a big issue that you commonly can find is that once you start having a bunch of playbooks in your drift account, making sure that they're showing up on the right pages is going to become a little bit more cumbersome. And that's because by default, Drift is going to add each one of your playbooks by sort order, or by the order you create them. And it's up to you to change the priority of saying what is the most important. So a general rule of thumb is the more specific or the more refined a message is, you're going to want that priority to be higher because you want to make sure it shows up for that specific criteria. If you have a general catch-all type chatbot that is running and you then make a more specific one, it's going to be very important to take that specific one higher to ensure that that context is kept. So what I'm going to do is show you how to find the priority of your playbooks, but then also adjust it, and you can go in here and optimize your account as you see fit. So when you're in Drift, you're going to go to the Playbooks tab, and what you'll do is you'll see a list of all of your different chat playbooks. Off to the right, you'll see Set Priority, so you can go ahead and you can click that. You can see that Drift does a great job of explaining how priorities work, but an important thing to note is that any outbound playbooks that you have are automatically going to be given priority over your marketing playbooks. So when we scroll down here, you'll see that we've got some different playbooks that are set up here. These are in our account. And if you wanted to adjust the priority on some of these, it would be very easy. You could literally just click the drop down, scroll up, and take it to the highest priority. And what it's going to do is reorganize and put your chatbot all the way up to the top, or at whatever position that you're looking to make it go. Once you do that, you go ahead and press save and exit, and voila, that's all that you need to do in order to make sure that your priorities are set the right way. So just remember, as a general rule, as you're creating these playbooks, that you go in and you set the priorities after you're done so that they show up when you want them to. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and subscribe right here. And if you'd like to see other tutorials that we've done, go ahead and do that right here. Have a great day.